Hey Kylo, can I tell you something?
Mm.
You know how we have this quarantine?
Mm.
And we've been working from home?
Mm.
Well, I have some bad news.
Mm.
We have to go back.
Mm.
I know. Eventually. I don't know when, but eventually.
I just want to help you. Oh, please. Ow!
Chi chi chi. No, not working. Kitty kitty kitty. Oh, American cat.
Chicago, Chicago.
Push push push. No. Gatito gatito Oh, this cat is Mexican. Billy Billy Billy. No. Kiss kiss kiss. Oh, this cat is Russian. Bees bees bees. No. Minu 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 minu. Oh my god, this cat is French. Tits tits tits. No. Micho micho micho. Oh mamma mia, this cat is Italian. Nya nya nya. Not working. Starden burden harden ba. Oh, this cat is definitely German. Mushik 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 mushik. No. Me 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 me. Whew, Chinese cat.
谁找我？谁找我？
What? It has not been that hard of a day for you.
Ma'am, can I give you a pedicure? It's like a manicure, but for puppies. Hand me both paws, please.
Bro, come on, man. You can't. No! Not my burger, no!
Excuse me, sir. I've been wondering if you've found Jesus.
Oh my god. He's missing? What? No, not like literally.
Have you tried Amber Alert? Cause I saw that shit in a movie once and they found her. No, I mean like spiritually. Like ghosts and shit? Nah, I don't fuck with that. I played with a Ouija board once. I know what you're trying to do, and I'm not.
Okay, my cat has this box, and I just saw this little thing under here, and he won't let me lift the flap up, because underneath here, he won't let me lift it up, because underneath there's a picture of a cat.
This is my outside cat. I don't know who the actual owner is, but she's a really sweet girl. She lets me pet her. And in the background there, you can see Tesla.
She dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her.
Thank God you're here. Where have you been, bitch? Where have you bloody been?
Hey. Come here.
That show. I mean, first they say that Mr. Shu did. And what was with Jesse said and turn on Rachel between Dream on.
Are we about to kiss right now?
Dear Diary, my food dish is now only half full. It is obvious that I will soon starve to death. I have repeatedly tried to draw attention to my predicament with the authorities, but they are clearly either stupid, deaf, or just cruel.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before.
Tiki.